Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about ChatGPT Atlas. So this is the new browser from OpenAI, and I've been using it for like the past week, and I've been loving it so far. My main browser is Safari, but I might move to this Atlas thing. I'm still using Chrome for development work, but for normal surfing and this agent mode makes it pretty worth. And the main thing I've been using it is for the normal surfing, social media, and this agent mode. So, for example, if I want to delete all customers in something, it worked for 15 minutes. So, I gave it the customers list tab and I told it to delete all customers with following the thing because it didn't have select all and delete. So, it led literally like 100 list page clicking on one by one. So that was helpful. It would have taken me like uh, same 10 minutes for me, but I was doing something else while this work. So that was pretty oh, it has the whole video recording. I didn't know that. But yeah, that was pretty exciting. So I've been using things like that for a while. One thing I didn't don't like is when I search for something, it first uses this ChatGPT searching the web thing, which can be quite um, quite slow, but that's fine. Uh, you can always do control return, command return to go somewhere else. But, so it's not that big of a deal, but I didn't like that. And I think the browser is very fast compared to even like Chrome. I have a M4 Mac and it just flies, but Chrome gets a little laggy even on like a latest Mac. So I'm not sure. I think they've written all the wrapper for this in Swift, so it's very fast. And again, the settings feels very Safari-like, which I like. There's a it's not Chrome, so I like that. And yeah, that's it. It's been good so far, and I'll probably use it. I like these suggestions that comes here, so that's good. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Bye bye.